Can you juggle?
No. I mean, can you? No.
I'm Camille, and I have an obsession. I stay up late at night reading cookbooks. I imagine that the author is my best friend, who I cook with and ask a million questions. And this show is my chance to do that in real life. We're going into the kitchen to get to know the people behind my favorite cookbooks, to talk life, talk food, and cook from their book. I love Gaby. I would describe her as smart, sunshiny, and always up for a party. What's Gaby cooking? Marker. Hey guys, I'm here with Gaby from What's Gaby Cooking?
Yay!
That's
hi.
Gaby, not Gabby.
Oh yeah,
for the
thank
record. What's Gaby Cooking? Oh, I love this book so much. I was actually just telling someone yesterday that out of almost every cookbook that I own, this is the one where I'm flipping the pages and I truly want to make every single thing. It's like highly cookable.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Good.
Have I mentioned to you that I truly believe that I should have been born a California girl?
I feel like you have a very California girl vibe about you, though.
It's just the best.
Yeah.
Sunshine.
All day.
Good
every day.
vibes. Okay, so we are making our Summer Chipotle Chicken Cobb.
Say it 10 times fast.
Chipotles are spicy.
Yes, they're spicy, but they're more smoky, right?
Yeah.
And we're using them in the marinade, so they're gonna just kind of infuse the chicken before we cook it, and so there's just gonna be like a subtle smoke to everything.
I love how in the book you have like these different
The Cobbs.
Cobbs. I'm such a Cobb salad fan.
So the whole reason I started doing all these Cobbs is because I am like desperately afraid of hard-boiled eggs.
I mean, I can't believe that she doesn't eat hard-boiled eggs.
The yolk of a hard-boiled egg is terrifying to me. Like,
Okay.
I don't know what happened to me in like a former life or something, but it's just not my cup of tea. So I just decided to come up with all these like California-inspired Cobbs that are way more beautiful and like crazy flavorful. You can change them with the seasons.
Brilliant. You heard it here first, people. You will not find a hard-boiled egg in this book.
You won't.
It is getting smoky in here. I guess, how do we turn on the thing in here?
Oh my God, look at it. Just gets sucked down in there.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, right?
Stop it.
The part where we talk about avocados a lot. Okay, so I feel like my avocados are always very ugly when I take them out of the shell.
Right? Because you're like scooping them out with a spoon.
Yeah.
Okay, this is pro tip from Adam, who's my food stylist.
Okay.
Instead of scooping it out with a spoon, we're just gonna peel the skin of the avocado off.
That looks perfect.
Do you want to slice it?
Sure.
It'll be beautiful for the salad. It makes it very Insta-friendly, which
Gotta get those grams.
That's what life's all about.
If I could go in my backyard and pluck a perfectly ripe avocado off the tree, peel it just the way that Gaby showed me, and eat it whole with a little Maldon salt sprinkled on top, life would be good. I'm obsessed with this book. It is so good. I just got it and I've already been like cooking my way through it, but I can't wait to make everything.
Thank you.
Gaby shares so many amazing recipes on her blog all the time, and they feel really consistent to the ones that are in her book, but I think of her book as kind of like greatest hits.
It's breakfast, it's lunch, it's dinner, it's sides, there's like
cinnamon roll chocolate chip monkey bread, which I have earmarked.
I know,
because I'm
I
making
love it. I
this
saw
weekend.
that. Every recipe in the book gets tested like 5 times. And I tested that and invited a bunch of girlfriends over, and they were all pregnant.
Oh my
And I was
gosh.
like, it was like a full-on like
Feeding
brawl.
frenzy.
Oh my God, it was the best day ever. And it's simple too. Like, that's the beauty of cooking with this California spin. Like, you can just let all the flavors and ingredients do most of the talking.
Yeah.
And like,
Yeah, I mean, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ingredients.
I know.
It's so
crazy.
simple.
Who wants to follow a recipe that A, has 25 ingredients, and B, is gonna take 2 hours to make? Like, that's just not real life.
With every single recipe, no matter how simple it is, she layers on the flavors and the textures and the colors, and it's kind of just this like explosion of deliciousness that you want to dive into.
I'm gonna just put a bed of arugula down. You can use any kind of like mixed greens, market
Okay.
greens you want.
You know what I just realized?
What?
We are completely twinning today.
I know.
We've got our
We
stripes.
did not plan
We've
this.
got our ripped jeans.
We are, yeah, like all the things and
I
sneakers.
mean, oh, sneaks.
Growing up, I literally only ate mac and cheese and grilled cheese until I was 17 years old.
Oh my
So
gosh.
it's kind of a shock I went to culinary school, but culinary school was incredible for me. And then I worked as a private chef for like a number of years before I went full time with What's Gaby Cooking.
Did you ever in LA cook for any famous people?
I cooked for Jessica Simpson for a couple years. Did you not know that?
No.
Really? Yeah.
No, I seriously had no idea.
Yeah, I was her private chef. She's my favorite client I've ever had.
Oh my gosh.
Literally the nicest human in the entire world.
Okay, so when did you actually start What's Gaby Cooking?
So I started What's Gaby Cooking the same week I started culinary school. Yeah.
What made you decide to do that?
Well, I was like, I need to brag to everyone that I learned how to cook fish.
Right.
Like everyone at home needs to know that I am no longer just a buttered noodle and grilled cheese kind of girl.
I would love to know, what is a normal work day like for you?
Oh my gosh, every day is different, but like my favorite days are studio days. So like we bring all of our recipes together in the studio down in Long Beach and we shoot like 10 to 12 recipes in a day with Matt and Adam. Like we just like bang them out. It's the most fun. We listen to music. I sing really poorly, but I do.
That's
and it's just
so
like,
fun.
It's like we have a good time.
A dish is Instagram worthy when it makes you want to like eat it and like stuff your face in it. Like it's like food porn where you're just like it makes you drool and you like have to comment and you bookmark it because you want to make it that night. Bam.
Yeah, Salt Bae.
We're gonna get this salad out of the way and make some margaritas.
My favorite time of the day.
I love your margarita recipe in your book.
California girl style. Yep, it has like satsumas and blood oranges, regular oranges, grapefruit, anything you can get your hands on.
Oh my gosh, so good. We're gonna keep ours really simple and do lime juice,
Texas style.
Cointreau, tequila, and some agave. Cheers.
Cheers. Yay. Oh, that's delicious.
Good. There's something about bacon and avocado together.
Yeah, with like strawberries, like random sweetness.
It's so good. You nailed it. I'm gonna make everything. Next time we have lunch, I want it to be in Cali.
Done. No problem.
Yay.
Cheers.
So I have decided I want to come back as Gaby in another life. I feel like she just oozes that California girl cool, and she's always like in a sunny, beautiful backyard somewhere holding a picture of her California girl margaritas and like laughing and just having a great time.
Do you actually turn it on? Got our first one.
What food would you never eat?
Yellow mustard. My husband hates ketchup and I hate mustard, so like I don't know how we're married. It's really weird.
You guys need to have your own signature secret sauce that
Yeah.
has none of the above.
Like guacamole. Yeah.
There you go. Okay, fill in the blank. It's not a party without
Guacamole. Or margaritas.
My idea of comfort food is
Macaroni and cheese. Childhood favorite.
Do you like it basic or with like truffles stuff?
I think basic.
Yeah.
I'm kind of a basic bee when it comes to mac and cheese, and I'm not mad at it. If you had to choose one cheese to eat for the rest of your life, which would it be?
Burrata.
Oh, yeah, for sure. This is why we're friends. Yeah. If you could have dinner with one cookbook author, living or dead, who would it be?
I feel like this is so predictable, but Barefoot Contessa.
I know. I knew
Like
you were
she
gonna
knows
say
how
that.
to throw a dinner party.
And she would have all of her gay friends there. It would be like
Yeah.
the best dressed crowd.
the Panties, the Hamptons,
Everything
like the
about
perfect
it. And
night.
have you seen her kitchen? It actually feels very much like this.
Yeah.
Like, it's so pretty.
Woo!
Good
Nailed
work.
it. I think of Gaby as the ultimate party food girl. Like when you look through her book, it's like these beautiful spreads of build your own bruschetta bar and like these big batch punches that you can mix up for a crowd. And they're all simple and all things that won't make you end up being in the kitchen the whole party, but they're all really impressive and beautiful, and I think are made for inviting people into your home and making them feel really well taken care of.